The race is in full swing, and the competition and cars are scorching hot as driver 3 begins his session.
Everybody's exhausted. This car is hot. We drag people out, fill it up with gas. We put the third driver in.
Reservations, because I had seen this car before. I was happy on a Friday, got in, turned it on, it worked, and that confidence inspiring. But having said that, I've also seen this car lose its right front wheel on the first lap.
Our car is a momentum car. It doesn't have a lot of horsepower. We try not to touch the brakes very often and just keep it rolling.
CMP is a very technical track, and cornering is key. If you can learn how to run the corners at CMP, you can be fast, even in a lower horsepower car. So my focus was to make up time in the corners. If the car would stay with me, that was what I was going to do. I was going to push, and that's what I did. I went out there and I drove as hard as I could for 2.5 hours. Here we go, hammer down. I'll talk to you if I need to.
And then we get Brian in, who is just phenomenal. Definitely the best of the 4 of us by far. And he picks us up, so we're doing really well. I'm really happy.
I gave no one an inch, I gave no quarter. I made everybody work to pass me. I mean, they were going to pass me, but I made them work for it. I just didn't give it. And I actually was able to be fast enough to pass others.
Third driver is the most experienced one that we have on this track and the fastest. We moved up 20 spots in that one session that he was out.
I was having a good run, and I came into 14, which is a very hard right-hand turn. And the engine died on me, and because I didn't have any fuel. I had run out of fuel. So fortunately, the pit road is right there. I just took it right into the pit road, went straight in the pits. Everybody's like, what's wrong? I was like, I just need fuel.
Car's okay, fuel.
Filled up with 2 tanks of gas, and I was back out. And I ran for another 30 minutes, and then that was a good time for my father to get in and finish up the race.
Then things fell apart.